Welcome back. I am so glad you're here. I am Coach Julia, and today I just want to wish all of you around the world who have been part of my channel this year a very, very Merry Christmas. By being part of my channel, by watching my videos, you have allowed me to fulfill a bit of a dream in sharing my love of figure skating with all of you. And I'm so grateful. I just thought it would be wonderful this year to teach you all a skating program that we could all practice together and work on and perform at our local rinks. It was so much fun seeing all of these programs together. It gives me so much joy to see all of you working on your skills, whatever that level is, from the very, very beginners to skaters who've been at it for years. I just think it's wonderful that no matter your age, no matter your skill level, we can all push ourselves, progress, and encourage each other on along the way. I know not all of you had ice available this year. Gosh, it's been a really tough year, but we're making it through it. The year's almost over. Hopefully 2021 will bring lots more wonderful experiences, lots more ice time for those of you skating, and hopefully next year all of us can come together in an even bigger skating program. But for this year, I'm so excited that some of you were able to participate. We're gonna do this program all together. I'm gonna kick it off. So I hope that you guys will sit back, enjoy, and cheer all these skaters on with wonderful Christmas spirit.
Jingle bells ringing in my ear. Jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeers are falling down. We stay up waiting for Santa tonight. He climbs down the chimney at the speed of light, while we're dancing around the Christmas tree, hugging and kissing just you and me. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, we're chasing snowflakes as they're falling down, and follow Rudolph all across the town. Later we meet under the mistletoe, while Santa's busy saying ho ho ho. We're feeling jolly, eating Christmas cake, and then we go skating on the frozen lake, saying hi to every friendly face, and later we warm up by the fireplace. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Merry Christmas Day.
hope you enjoyed that little special Christmas program. I look forward to seeing many, many more of you skate next year. And I hope you guys will subscribe and stick around because I have a lot of really fun stuff planned for 2021. All right, guys, that's it for this year. I want to wish you all a very Merry, Merry Christmas, a Happy New Year, and I look forward to seeing you all in 2021.
Hey everyone, Scott Hamilton here. Make sure you subscribe to Coach Julia and give a thumbs up if you like the video and learn more about the world of figure skating.